Got border of wickedness. Look at this shit here. The Georgia Guidestones. The story of the Georgia Guidestones began in June 1979 when a stranger identified as Mr. Christian, later R.C. Christian, visited Joe Finley Sr.
R.C. it ain't Rosicrucian?
Right, the Rosicrucians.
Rosicrucian?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, president of Alberton Granite Finishing Company, Incorporated, and indicated that he represented a group of loyal Americans living outside of the state of Georgia who wanted to build a monument focused on the theme of conservation. That means extinction. That means extermination, really. Mr. Christian, who had assumed the pseudonym, right? He assumed the pseudonym, right? So they just trying to, it really wasn't just one person, it was a group of people. All right, he assumed the pseudonym became because he was a Christian named Wyatt C. Martin, president of the Granite City Bank, an intermediary to hold funds in escrow for the project, explaining that the Guidestones group, which wished to remain, anonymous forever, had selected Georgia because of its excellent granite and mild climate, and that he was that the heritage of the his great grandmother as a native Georgian. Christian agreed to Martin's request to locate the monument in Elbert County if there were a suitable remote site for it. See, they got it on this granite, so it's kind of hard to read, so let me get on top of it.
A remote site for it.
A remote, and this is definitely a remote site. We in Elberton, Georgia, Elbert County. All right. It says, which they found on a hillside, and that is the highest point of Elbert County, on the farm of Mildred and Wayne Mullinicks, north of Elberton, on a Highway 77. And that was the highway that you can see the road from the street. It's Highway 77. Finley's company carved the 6-part monument from a pyramid blue granite. The Georgia Guidestones consist of 4 granite megaliths, all right, set in the paddle wheel arrangement around a center stone. That's a central stone. That's they little altar. All right. It says which is surmounted by a flat. Okay, capstone. It says measuring 19 1/4 feet, 1/4 feet in height, so it's 19 feet tall. At the highest peak of the stone groups measures 17 1/3 feet in width, and the diameter is 65 feet. The overall weight of the 951 cubic feet granite used in 237,746 pounds. Man, that's how heavy it is. A ground marker west of the Guidestones provides additional data and covers a buried time capsule. Each of the 4 sides of the capstones features the statement of the cautionary guidance to humankind.
Statements of cautionary guidance to humankind.
Right. It says translated into the Babylonian, cuneiform, classical Greek, Sanskrit, and Egyptian hieroglyphics. These are the 4 dead languages, because there's a total of 12. Excuse me.
Dead languages.